Today we're going to bring a crystal pendant light. This is perfect for either your kitchen, your entrances, including with they include the light bulbs too, right? So I like that part. The whole setting is set up, it's ready to set up. All you got to do is mount it. Make sure you have a good back end for it. All the crystals are nice and sealed here. In every single one is wrapped up individually, so you don't have to worry about it. There's 14 pieces on one. For example, they give you all the details on it, including the actual system itself where you have to be mounting it. Instructions are very thorough. They're in the back right here, so it gives you a thorough instructions how to set this up. So let's go ahead and set it up and see how it looks. As you can see, I'm setting it up right now. It's coming out beautifully. Now the hardest part is setting these up. All right, now you got to go with the instructions, or you could go in your way. For example, I have these where it's crystals in the side, even bottom here. You guys can see beautiful crystals. These are pieces of shells, really nice, beautiful design. And then I ended up going with the smaller ones, so large, big, but all of them in the bottom are large, so you can see it nice and shiny. Make sure you set up your light bulbs before you start putting these. All right, because then you're gonna get trapped in there. So, and balance it out, some side, one side, and then the other side. It's a long chandelier, so you're gonna have need a long hallway or maybe a kitchen. So it took me about 2 hours to set up the whole product. But look at beautiful crystals, along with seashells. 3 light bulbs are included. We're gonna turn off the lights so you guys can see how beautiful it looks in the dark. All right, we got the lights completely off. But look at this beautiful product. You gotta put it in your dining room. All the crystals are nice built. Seashells with it. 4 layers of nothing but crystals. Beautiful. It's gonna give your kitchen a nice, beautiful ambiance. Setting it up was intuitive. It was a easy process. It's just tedious with the actual hanging of the crystals, but other than that, easy setup.